Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. So in today's lecture, we will practice some questions based on the circle. We'll start practicing the questions from question number 1 to 6. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 says the equation of a circle whose two diameters are along the lines 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 passes through the origin. So, the hint of this question we basically have to find the equation of circle, right? And the equation of two diameters are given. Clear? So, the points of intersection of the two diameters given will be the center of the circle, right? And also the circle is passing through. So, after finding the points of intersection, we will easily get the center of the circle. Also, a circle is passing through the origin, right? So, if circle is passing through the origin, and therefore we can easily find the distance between origin and the points of intersection of these two diameters, and that distance will be equal to radius of the circle. Clear? So, for the circle, we have the center now and the radius. Clear? So, for any circle, if we have center and radius, we can easily find the equation of circle. Clear? So in this way you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution. So in the given question, the formula and key points we will use is equation of a circle having center x1 y1 and radius r is can be written as x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square, right? Now the distance between origin and point x1 y1 is root over x1 square plus y1 square. Now equation of two diameters are given as 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Now solving 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 equations, we will get center as minus 1 by 17 and 22 by 17. Clear? Now the circle is basically passes through origin. Clear? Therefore the equation of circle is x plus 1 by 17 whole square plus y minus 22 by 17 whole square is equal to 1 by 17 square plus 22 by 17 square. Clear? Because that radius can be calculated as distance between origin and the point x1 y1. Clear? And x1 y1 is basically 0 0. Clear? 0 0. Got it? So in this way the answer is given. So after this you can, if you will adjust this, you will get x square plus y square plus 2 by 17x minus 44 by 17y is equal to 0. And after adjustments you will get the equation of circle as 17x square plus 17y square plus 2x minus 44y equal to 0. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says we have to find the value of a when the point 2 0 0 1 4 5 and 0 a are concyclic. Clear? So we have to find the value of a. So what we will do, we will try to write the standard equation of circle, and the points 2 0 0 1 and 4 0 is basically passing through the circle. So by putting these values we can easily find the values of the coefficients and the constants. Clear? And you can easily find the equation of circle, and 0 and a also passing through that circle. So by putting the values of 0 and a in the equation of circle you can easily get the value of a. Got it? So in this way you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. formula and key points we will use in this question is equation of circle in standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So let the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now basically this circle is basically passes through 2 0 0 1 and 4 5. Clear? So 4 plus 4g plus c equal to 0 and 1 plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Got it? So we will get 41 plus 8g plus 10f plus c equal to 0. And we got these three values by putting the values of 2 0 0 1 and 4 5. After solving this, you will get g is equal to minus 13 by 6, f equal to minus 17 by 6, and c is equal to 14 by 3. Got it? So the equation of circle is 3 times x square plus y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equal to 0. Now since 0a also lies on the given circle, therefore we will get 3a square minus 17a plus 14 equal to 0 by putting the values of 0 and a. Right? Now after solving this, you will get a is equal to 1 or 14 by 3. Clear? You will get a is equal to either 14 by 3 or 1. So option A, 14 by 3 or 1 is the right answer. Got it? Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 says the abscissa of 2 points A and B are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus 4 equal to 0, and their ordinates are the roots of the equation x square plus 2bx minus 9 equal to 0. Then the equation of circle with AB as diameter is. So see, the hint of this question is the abscissa of 2 points A and B are basically the roots of this equation. So we will first try to find sum of roots and sum of root and product of root. After that, by doing so, we will easily get the sum of abscissa, or we will easily get the abscissa, and ordinates are the roots of equation this x square plus 2bx minus 9 equal to 0. Now by using this equation and using the sum of roots and product of roots, we can easily find the ordinates, right? After this, we can easily find the equation of circle with AB as diameter, right? Clear? Where the ends of where the coordinates of A and B will be the abscissa and ordinates of the calculated values from these given equations, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about the question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. You can easily see the formula and key points we will use in this question is the equation of circle having n points of diameter are x1 y1 and x2 y2 are x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Second, if we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta equal to minus by and alpha into beta is equal to c by. Right? So let's move to the solution. Let a and b be x1 y1 and x2 y2. So if x1 and x2 are roots of x square plus 2ax minus 4 equal to 0, then sum of roots, that is x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a, and product of roots, that is x1 x2 is equal to minus 4. Clear? C by a. Now y1 y2 are basically roots of the equation x square plus 2bx minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore y1 plus y2 equal to minus 2b and y1 y2 is equal to minus 9. Now equation of circle on AB as diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Right? So we can easily get the equation of circle by solving this. You will get x square plus y square minus x1 plus x2 into x minus y1 plus y2 into y plus x1 y x2 plus y1 y2 equal to 0. Got it? Therefore, after adjusting the terms and finding the values by putting the values of x1 plus x2 and y1 plus y2 and x1 x2 and y1 y2, you will get the equation of circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus uh, x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by minus 13 equal to 0. Clear? Therefore, option C, x square plus y square minus plus 2ax plus 2by minus 13 equal to 0 will be the right equation of the circle. Got it? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says if the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, cut the coordinate axis in concyclic points, then which of the following option will correct? So we can easily see the lines, the given lines are basically cut the coordinate axis at concyclic points. First, we will try to find the points at which these lines will cut the coordinate axis. After that, we will try to make the circle passing through these points, right? And by putting the values of the coordinates of that point in the circle, you can easily get the relation between a1, a2 and b1, b2, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. See, we have the given circle which is touching the coordinates axis at AB and CD respectively. Clear? So the formula and key points we will use in this question is, if ABCD are 4 points which are concyclic and AC and BD are chords of the circle, AC and BD are chords of the circle, then OA into OC is equal to OB into OD, right? OA into OC is equal to OB into OD. Got it? So let's move to the solution. The line A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0, cut x and y axis at A negative C1 by A1 and 0, and B 0 and negative C1 by B1, and the line A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0 cut the axis in C minus C2 upon A2 0 and D 0 and minus C2 upon B2. Clear? So AC and BD are chords along x and y axis intersecting origin, right? AC and BD, you can easily see that AC and BD are basically the coordinates along x and y axis intersecting at the origin, right? Now, since A, B, C, D are concyclic, so OA into OC will be equal to OB into OD, right? Or what will be OA? OA is minus negative C1 by A1, OB is negative C2 by A2, OB is negative C1 by B1, and OD is negative C2 by OD is negative C2 by B2, right? So after solving this, you will get A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2, right? A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2. Got it? So our answer is option A, A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2. Got it? Okay, let's move to the next question, question number 5, which says the equation of circle which passes through the points 2, 0 and whose center is the limit of the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 5y equal to 1 and 2 plus cx plus 5c square y equal to 1 as c tending to 1 is. So we basically have to find the equation of circle which is passing through 2, 0, right? And whose center is the points of intersection of these two lines. Clear? So first we will try to find the points of intersection of these two lines. So the points of intersection, the coordinates of the points of intersection will be in terms of C, right? After that, we will apply the limit C tending to 1 to calculate the points of intersection. Now after finding the points of intersection and the point 2, 0, we can easily find the equation of circle. Got it? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part. Okay, let's move to the solution part. See, the formula and key points we will use in this question is, first, the equation of circle having center x1 y1 and radius r is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square. Second, the distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is d, which is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, let's see the solution. The given lines are 3x plus 5y equal to 1, equation 1, and 2 plus cx plus 5c square y equal to 1. Now, from equation 1 and 2, we will get 1 minus c into x plus 5 times 1 minus c square into y equal to 0. Now, we can take 1 minus c as common. Therefore, the equation will become, therefore, c can be 1, or c can be 1 or x plus 10y is equal to x plus 10y equal to 0. Why x plus 10y? Because we have taken 1 minus c as common, then the equation will become x plus 5 times 5 into 1 plus c into y equal to 0. Now, since c is tending to 1, right? C is basically tending to 1. Therefore, when you will put c equal to 1, you will get the equation x plus 10y equal to 0. Right? Therefore, center is 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 25. Center is 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 25. Got it? Therefore, the equation of circle is x minus 2 by 5 whole square plus y plus 1 by 25 whole square is equal to, the radius can be calculated by the distance between point 2 by 5 minus 1 by 25 and 2 and 0. Clear? By using the distance formula, right? Therefore, the equation of circle will be x minus 2 by 5 whole square plus y plus 1 by 25 whole square is equal to 2 minus 2 by 5 whole square plus 1 by 25 whole square. Got it? So after simplifying and adjusting the terms, you will get the equation of circle as 25 times x square plus y square minus 20x plus 2y minus 60 equal to 0. Therefore, option B should be the right answer. Option B should be the right answer. Got it? Now let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is the lines 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and 3 and x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 cut the coordinate axis at concyclic points. Then the equation of circle through these points is, since line 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 basically cuts the coordinate axis at concyclic points, right? So what we will do, we will first try to find the points at the coordinate axis at which these lines are intersecting. Clear? At the coordinate axis. Now, uh, these points are basically concyclic, so we can easily write the equation of circle. Clear? And we will have 4 points through which the circle is passing. So by putting these 4 points, we can easily find the equation of circle. Got it? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. We can see that, see, we are given we have different circles which is intersecting the coordinate axis at different points, right? Now, the formula and key points we will use in this question is, if the lines L1 and L2 cuts the coordinate axis at concyclic points, then L1 L2 plus lambda x1 lambda xy should be equal to 0. Clear? Second, the equation of circle in standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now, let's write the solution. Let's see the solution. Since the points of see, the coefficients of the two given lines 3 into 1 is equal to negative 1 into negative 3. That means the circle are concyclic. That means the points are concyclic. Clear? So we can write L1 L2 plus lambda times x1 xy is equal to 0. Right? L1 L2 plus lambda xy is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x minus y plus 3 into x minus 3y minus 6 plus lambda xy should be equal to 0. Got it? So uh, after simplifying this, you will get the equation as 3 times x square plus y square plus lambda minus 10xy minus 15x minus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. Right? Now the circle. Now for the circle, coefficient of xy should be equal to 0. Clear? For the circle, coefficient of xy should be equal to 0. Therefore, lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 10. Clear? You will get lambda equal to 10. Therefore, by putting the value of lambda in this equation, you will get 3 times x square plus y square minus 15x minus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, equation of circle will be x square plus y square minus 5x minus y minus 6 equal to 0 by taking 3 as common. Clear? Therefore, option A is the right answer. Got it? Option A should be the right answer. So in this way, we have discussed a lot of different types of questions on the basis on the chapter circle. Hope you understood the each questions and understood the concepts that we have applied in these questions. And hope you liked our lecture. Right? Thank you so much.